Keep it turned like that.
Wow, look at that.
Just like that.
Look at that back wheel.
Keep it turned real close. Alright, straighten out.
Yeah.
There you go.
You see where that back wheel was?
Yeah.
His back wheel was like this, too.
Man, at least I got him coming down. I had like 8 seconds of video.